In this Adobe InDesign lesson, we'll talk about working with objects. This lesson is a continuation of lesson 4. We'll focus on creating and modifying text frames, specifically resizing and reshaping text frame, which is our main objective. We'll work on a 4-page newsletter, add text and images, and make several modifications to the objects in this document. So let's go ahead and see what Adobe InDesign has offered us. Text is placed inside a frame. The size and location of a text frame determine where the text appears on a page. First, we'll work on resizing text frames. In our Pages panel, double-click page 4 to display it. So it is assumed that we have opened the file. We just go to the Pages panel right away and double-click page 4. Next, we'll go to the View menu and select Fit Page in Window to be able to see our whole page. And we'll just go to our Layers panel again. Click the text layer to select it and see we have several objects inside our text layer. Now we'll click the Type tool from the Tools menu and drag in the workspace, drag to create a frame. So that should be somewhere here. I have encircled in red, and we'll magnify it using the zoom tool. So in here I have magnified this part. We'll select the type tool again and add this text here, customer and testimonials. Next to that is we're going to add a paragraph style to this text. As you notice, it's just bare. There's no style in it. So select paragraph styles panel and we'll click testimonials. So the style is automatically applied to the text customer and testimonials. Using the selection tool, double click the bottom center handle of the selected text frame. So the selected text frame is actually looks like it's a green color. So double click that one and it will fit the frame to the text vertically. And there, after double clicking it, the frame is fitted to the text vertically just below the testimonials. I have encircled it. To be able to see the whole view of our document, we'll choose the View menu and Fit Spread in Window again. So we'll zoom to this part of our page and magnify somewhere in the Buzz title just beside the Yield image. So we're zooming into that part. Click the selection tool again and select the text frame below the Buzz title. The red plus sign indicates an overset text. As you can see, I have encircled in green. There's a red plus sign there. That's the overset text. So that means there's some additional text available in this text frame. So we'll fix this right coming up in our next slide. We'll resize the text frame by dragging it, and you will notice the red sign is still there. So we have resized the text frame, but still the red sign is there. Not much to worry. We'll fix that in the next slide. So first we'll deselect all and save what we have done so far. In the next step, we'll reshape a text frame. Reshaping a text frame. We'll reshape the frame using the direct selection tool. So that tool is located just below our selection tool. By using the direct selection tool, we'll select the text frame. There are four very small anchor points now appear at the corners of the selected text frame. The anchor points are hollow, indicating that none of them is selected. In this slide, we can see the difference between the unselected and selected anchor points. So notice that white dot and the blue dot there, it's circled in red. So if it's white, that's unselected anchor point, and if it turns blue, it becomes a selected anchor point. So we'll go ahead, drag the anchor point to adjust the text frame. As you can see the arrow there, now the red plus sign is gone, which means that all the text are now visible. So let's press the V key to switch to the selection tool. We'll deselect all objects and save. So I hope that we learned how to resize and reshape text frames and be able to apply them later on. Thank you.